I wasn't planning to make this comparison. I actually opened Code because I kept seeing people on X saying things like, it's the Claude Code killer. Whenever I hear that, I immediately become skeptical, because every month there's a new AI coding tool that's supposedly going to replace everything else. So I decided to do something simple: same project, same tasks, same prompts, Code versus Claude Code. And honestly, the result surprised me. The first thing I noticed was speed. Code feels fast, really fast. You ask for something and it immediately starts generating code, suggesting changes and moving through tasks. For small projects, quick fixes, and simple app ideas, it honestly felt pretty good. I could see why people are excited about it. Then I switched to Claude Code, and the experience was different almost immediately. Not necessarily faster, but smarter. I know that's a vague word, but that's honestly how it felt. When I gave Claude Code a messy problem, it seemed to understand the bigger picture. It wasn't just writing code, it was reasoning through the problem. There were several moments where I thought, okay, that's actually impressive. Then I tried something more realistic. I intentionally gave both tools confusing instructions, incomplete requirements, a few bugs, some badly written code. Basically, the kind of stuff real developers deal with every day. This is where the gap started showing. Code did fine when the task was clear, but once things got messy, Claude Code usually recovered better. It asked better questions, suggested better approaches, and sometimes even caught mistakes I hadn't noticed. Now, here's where I think most comparison videos get it wrong. They're obsessed with benchmarks. I don't care how many points a model scores on some coding test. I care about one thing: would I trust it on a real project? And honestly, my answer is different for both tools. If I needed to build something quickly, test an idea, or create a small project, I'd happily use Code. It's fast, it's simple, and it gets a lot done. But if I'm working on a bigger project, dealing with complex logic, or touching important code, I personally trust Claude Code more. The reasoning feels stronger, the context handling feels better. And that's a huge advantage, so which one wins? Honestly, it depends on your job. If you're a startup founder, freelancer, or someone trying to ship ideas quickly, Code is surprisingly good. But if you're a developer, agency owner, or somebody managing bigger projects, Claude Code still feels like the safer choice. After testing both, I don't think Code replaces Claude Code. Not yet. But I do think it makes the competition a lot more interesting. And that's probably the biggest surprise from this entire test. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one.